Hi guys, Tracie Choates here. Are you guys ready to take another awesome 5-minute walk with me? Today I would like for you to actually create 5 sentences using sight words. The sight words cut, day, all, down, and away. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, what do you see between the trees? Yes, water. Let's choose this path. Yes, we're almost there. Look how beautiful the water is. It's a nice cool day. Not too hot, not too cold. Oh, it's one fisherman out there. I wonder what type of speedboat that is. Look at these big, beautiful boulder rocks. Let's take this path. I wonder what it leads to. Oh, look, it's a swing bench. Here's another bench to sit on. It's a picnic bench. We could sit here and actually look out to the water. That's pretty nice. Let's take a walk down here. Let's see what we find. The water is so shallow right here. I can see the cars going over the bridge. Look what I found. It's a nice man-made beach. It's beautiful. See how clear the water is? Listen to the sound. What does that remind you of? This is another part of the lake. Look at that tree stump. That's a nice place to sit. Look at this tree and look at the tree roots. They go so far. It's pretty amazing. It's a beautiful day to enjoy this sight. It's so peaceful out here. Look at these bubbles. I wonder what caused these bubbles to form. Look at all this Georgia red clay. Look at how clear the water is right here. It goes on for miles and miles. See how clear it is? I found what I'm going to touch today. Look at this huge leaf. I mean, it's incredibly large. It's beautiful. Thank you guys for joining me today. If you liked that video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.